Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. The luxurious Orgie Sexy Therapy and Tantric Sensual Massage Oils collections are an invitation for indulging in long foreplay massages or experience tantric love rituals. The Sexy Therapy Oils collection is mineral oil based, enriched with sweet almond and grapeseed oils, delivering skin smoothing, moisturizing and silky effect. Sexy Therapy Oils comes in 3 different fragrances. The secret fragrance is fruity floral, features hints of vanilla and jasmine on its top notes. Amor also is fruity floral. Its top notes are infused with a refreshing aroma of juicy pineapple and freesia. Aphrodisiac fragrance is oriental floral. Its top notes have a delightful blend of vanilla and cedar wood. The Tantric Oils collection is a rich combination of sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil and argan oil, leaving your skin moisturized and looking beautiful thanks to its glossy effects. Orgie also brings you the Tantric Oils collection in 3 fragrances for your choice. Love Ritual fragrance is fruity floral with top notes of orchid and red berries. Divine Nectar fruity floral fragrance reveals refreshing top notes of white wine and pomegranate. Celestial Scent fruity fragrance brings top notes of kiwi and strawberry. Apply a generous amount of any of these oils on the intended area, using your hands on your body to perform the massage. Let go and surrender to the stimulation and connection of a sensual massage with your partner. These simple pleasures can only bring you even closer. Sexy Therapy and Tantric Sensual Massage Oil collections are also available in a mini-size set in which you get the 3 oils in a travel set size to take just anywhere. Thanks for watching us, goodbye and dare yourself.